you would actually die creating content, but never be the next big creator. If you're starting a new channel, everyone just romanticize being consistent, copying creators, following trends, viral formats, but this never actually works if you want to create a crazy ass personal brand. Instead, you just need to focus on this one thing, and that is people don't actually understand that there's a science behind content which works again and again and again. I've seen lots of people like ditching me. They said like, I would just be consistent and I don't need your advice. Now they have literally posted around thousands of videos and the followers are literally below 500. And I look at them and just laugh like, what the fuck? Hey, this is Josh. Welcome to my black and white world. I actually love black and white because why not? When everyone is creating colorful content, why not be different? So yeah, you might not know me, of course not. So basically, I've been in con for so long, worked with a lot of different brands, creators out there, and I've generated over millions of views. But recently, what I was looking at is that everyone in internet is being a content guru, right? Everyone is telling you to follow 5 viral topics, follow 5 viral hooks, follow 5 viral formats, and I look at them and just like, bro, this doesn't actually get attention. There's actually a science behind creating content which works again and again, and that's what we'll be discussing today. We'll be discussing some of the like fundamentals of content, basically, which gets attention. All right, and I'm actually very sure that the amount of value you'll be getting in this video would be out of your level. So let's start with the first one, and that is understanding audience. So this is more of a mistake which every content creator does. Like, you tend to create what you think could be good, not what your audience actually wants, right? Most of the people just think like, all right, this is the thing which seems fascinating to me and I'll be creating content about it. I think that it would be working. And what they end up with is like creating random bullshit shitty content which no one gives a fuck about. So think of your content like a startup, more of a startup, right? Where you actually understand that what your customers are actually going through and what's the valuable thing which you can provide at that moment, which is the most needed one, which your customers would be ready to pay for. And that's the same for content. You don't just create whatever you think that could work. You actually get into depth of your audience and actually understand that, all right, these are the pain points which my audience is like currently facing, and these are the desires of them, and like these are the content ideas like which I need to create right now according to my audiences. It seems like like obvious in first time, but 90% of creator makes the same mistake. They create whatever they want, right? Whatever they think that could be meaningful for them, and that doesn't actually get attention. So let's jump into the next thing, and that is like coming up with a different controversial topic. So this is the most important thing and most interesting thing which you need to understand. See, whatever viral videos you would be looking at, or whatever the views, like reels which got most of the attention, you would like understand or observe these one thing, that every single viral content is coming up with their new perspective. All right, they're offending something very authoritative so that it usually gets more attention of the audiences. It's just like every single reel have something different, or an opposite perspective of what actually works. For example, let's say I'm a fitness influencer, all right, and I want to create content about fat loss. Then if I'd be creating content about why you shouldn't run if you want to lose fat, then your audience would be going like wonkers, because it's standing on the opposite side of a very higher authoritative belief. Because like people think that running is the best obvious like cardio for losing fat, and why this guy is actually offending it, he must be up with something greater. Is there something I'm doing wrong? Is there something I need to know more? And these actually like naturally creates curiosity, right? And whatever reel which have got most of the attention has very common is that they are standing up with a different controversial topic by funding a very authoritative insight, whether it is a belief, a perspective, or whatever, right? You have to be controversial. Like, we do X for this, but don't do X. This is why you should do Y for it, right? So this is like that. But the more important thing which you need to understand with this is that if you're coming up with a totally different controversial offending topic of something authoritative, then you need to have a better option for it. For example, that if I'm creating content about why you shouldn't run, then I should be having something much more valuable to talk about, which audiences would be justifying it that all right, this is actually a better alternative than running. Right? You can't just like speak in air that whatever you want, right? Because that won't make sense, right? So you would be like, if you're standing at a offending point or a controversial topic, then you should be having something actual, all right, something genuine to actually offend or defend of, right? The next last most important thing, which is the most important, and that is implementing a change with your content. Every single reel which gets the most amount of attention doesn't just looks good, all right? It actually changes people, whether it's a perspective, an insight, a way of thinking. Like, there should be a clear before and after. For example, that I created that why you shouldn't run if you want to lose fat, and I actually gave something very good alternative. Then actually it changed the insight that all right, before I was thinking that running wasn't a good option, but now I found a better way to lose fat, which is like 10 times easier and 10 times more efficient than running itself. All right, so it actually like changed belief system, gave a new perspective, a new insight. All right, so whatever content you're creating should be changing something. Every single reel, like whatever got attention, you pick whatever got attention, and you would be finding this very common in it, that it actually implements a change. It actually like gives something new, right? And it makes your like audience like, all right, this was actually tough and it was actually valuable, and I actually changed my whole perspective about this specific thing. All right, so once you understand these fundamentals, these are the like actual fundamentals which works in every, like, you could just go and pick whatever videos which have got most amount of attention, and you'd be like finding these three core pillars or principles, whatever you say, in them, because these are the core fundamentals of attention. So this was it, and in the next video, like, we'll be discovering that how you could actually present this into a great storytelling which actually makes your videos from 0 to 10x. All right, so hope you like this, and actually, like, this is a new channel which I just started, and the reason I did this because I have been in content for very long, right? And I've actually seen lots of people nowadays creating content, and the saturation is getting very much higher. All right, and there's actually no one to actually talk about like the psychology of what makes content work, the science behind it, the science behind attention, like what works, what gets attention, what keeps attention, what makes them follow, what makes them all those psychological things. That's why I created this channel specifically for this specific thing. So make sure you subscribe, because I'm like talking about this first time, telling someone to subscribe, and peace out.